Good day. In this video, we are going to talk about mediated communication and its impacts on personal relationships. A closer look at the pace technology has revolutionized communication says a lot about human relationships. As mentioned in Dave and McMahon in 2009, revealed that on one level, changes in technology simply allow people to achieve relatively stable relational goals in new ways. They also maintain, however, that more than simply altering how traditional goals are met, technological transformation also changes what can be accomplished, creating new relational goals and norms. Mobile and online communication and other technological advancements are reshaping the way people communicate and how they form relationships, thereby setting a new relational forms and standards. Now, let's go directly to the definition. Mediated communication, by definition, is any form of communication where a technological medium is employed to communicate messages to another. It is anything that is not face-to-face basis of communication. And lastly, it is called or known as asynchronous communication.
There are four types of mediated interpersonal communication, where there is a mass communication, writing, phone calls, and lastly, computer-mediated communication. So first, what is mass communication? Mass communication is the process of transmitting information, ideas, messages from a source of a individual, group, or organization to a large, diverse, and often anonymous audience, typically through various media channels like televisions, radio, print, and digital platforms. So what is the purpose of this? The purpose of this is informing, educating, entertaining, and persuading, shaping public opinion, and influencing behaviors.
The second type of mediated interpersonal communication is writing. Written communication is one of the oldest forms of mediated communication. It can be formal or informal, and the receiver can read it anytime, like for example, sending emails or writing letters. Third, we also have phone calls. Phone calls is a more direct and personal form of communication because we use our voice to talk in real time. Like for example, voice messages or customer service hotlines.
Phone calls represent a type of mediated interpersonal communication that facilitates real-time, voice-based interactions between individuals, connecting people verbally across distances. While computer-mediated communication, or CMC, encompasses a broad spectrum of digital communication methods, going beyond just voice, CMC includes text-based communication like email and instant messaging, as well as video conferencing and other online interactive platforms.
Reasons to use computer-mediated communication. For example, distance. When your family or friend is away, you cannot talk with them physically, so that is why you have to use your digital devices to communicate with them. Thus, it is computer-mediated communication.
One reason to use computer mediated communication is information disbursement. It allows spreading or distributing information to a group of people. In digital communication, it refers to how quickly and easily messages, updates, or data can be shared through tools like email, social media, websites, or messaging apps. When a school sends class suspensions through Facebook post or email or even messenger, that's information disbursement in action.
Working together but apart refers to the ability of individuals or teams to collaborate on tasks or projects even when they are not physically in the same location, using digital tools like emails, chat, video calls, or shared online documents. It is good because you can save money and a lot of time.
Good day, I am Gianpaolo Elioano, and I'm gonna talk about why community is one of the reasons we use computer mediated communication. So, among members of a community, being able to efficiently and responsibly communicate with another individual is critical in making your thoughts or insight as well as sentiments on a particular matter effectively. And having to utilize computer to aid with the communication process can be of great and easy use. The efficiency of CMC can be observed through its numerous benefits, such as connecting the people, inclusive and accessible for everyone, diverse in perspective, increase participants and improve communication and community empowerment. These are only some of the windows of opportunity CMC open to its users by enriching skills related to digital communication. We may able to achieve even greater relative and traditional goals in the matter of communication among the community. And that's all. Thank you.